Hello guys, so ito pala yung view guys, no? Sa loob dito sa resort. Ito yung view dito na makikita. Napakaganda, napakalandong. Ano yan sa Tagalog na landong eh. Yung hindi mainit. It is mangrove. Maraming mango dito. This way is going to the beach. So ito yung ano, ito yung bar. This is the bar, right?
Yeah.
This
It's Hollow Dome.
Hollow Dome sports bar and singing.
It doesn't open until 6.
Oh, yes, last day we walked there. There's no water. I don't remember.
See this down here is where they got the net.
Net?
This is open. Oh, there's a net here too.
Grabe mahangin dito eh. Napakahangin. This is what you like. This is what you like. Ay. Ha? Ikot? Galaw na. Ngayon sila kay kamahon sila mulang. Uy. What's that? Okay, huh? Okay, take one.
This coral reef broke off from somewhere
Yeah.
off the shore.
Okay, take it. Oi, I got wet now. What is that?
You can find them all over.
Hello guys, so nandito kami sa Astoria Beach Resort, Palawan. Ito yung beach nila dito guys, oh. Napakalawak. Napakalawak from I don't know how many kilometers you estimate it is.
Huh?
Because the beach is going down there and all of it is very far. Mabaud. Oh. Wow. Nice one. This one, oh. This one. Send it to the US. Souvenir, stone souvenir. Dagunong ta. Because of the storm?
Oh, this is picking up.
Right, that's not really good. No. Because you know, when the water is back in, so especially people don't know how to swim, it's gonna be.
Well, it can create a rip tide. But see, as the waves pick up, then you can do body surfing, which is a lot
Then?
of fun. Yeah, they're not big enough yet, but when they get even
No, that
2
is
feet
scary.
high, it's a lot of fun.
No, that is scary. So, hello guys, so this is how beautiful inside here in the beach in Astoria, Palawan guys, no? So sa nakikita niyo, no, parang ang ganda talaga tingnan, napakalapad at linis. Ang sarap balik-balikan dito. We're heading to water park. forgot to bring umbrella.
You got what?
We forgot to bring umbrella.
I thought you grabbed it.
Hala.
Huh?
No.
Okay. Oh, you grabbed the camera.
Huh?
You grabbed the camera, I thought it was your brother.
Oh. Today is 26, right? Ah, yeah. Today is day 3. Day 3? No. Day 4. Day 4 today. Ngayon pa lang kami pumunta ng water park, guys. Kasi dinudugoy. At super mainit. Grabe. Ang ganda ng water park dito.
Bayad dyan. Eh, ako magtungkuan.
Where is the clothing?
What?
Clothing.
Looking what? I don't know. You have to ask me. I've never been here. I don't know.
Oh, where's him?
Gotta collect your keys.
Towel. And then
You didn't give us a key, right? So,
the room 159.
you need to go through.
We need to shoot this.
Ito man ba? Ina mo, rataro?
No, you can't body search. That feels good.
Can try the metal side with the blue message. Yeah, with the blue thing.
Yeah.